Setting up dual monitors with your Dell docking station can be accomplished through three primary connection methods. Each method has specific requirements and benefits depending on your hardware setup. The first and most common method is direct dual video output. Connect your first monitor using DisplayPort from the docking station and your second monitor via HDMI. This method requires your Dell laptop to support MST or multi-stream transport technology. The second method uses daisy chain configuration. Your primary monitor connects to the docking station via DisplayPort, then your secondary monitor connects to the first monitor using DisplayPort MST. Both monitors must support DisplayPort 1.2 or higher and have MST capability. The third method uses USB-C hub expansion, with adapters that convert USB-C to dual HDMI or DisplayPort outputs. This is particularly useful for docking stations with limited video outputs, though it may require additional power supply for stable operation. Successful dual monitor setup requires adequate bandwidth and power delivery. Thunderbolt 4 provides 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth, while power delivery should be at least 65 watts to charge your laptop while running dual displays. Most importantly, ensure your laptop supports MST or multi-stream transport for proper dual monitor functionality. To ensure successful dual monitor setup with your Dell docking station, verify MST support on your laptop, use DisplayPort for your primary monitor when possible, ensure adequate power delivery, check cable compatibility, and keep your graphics drivers updated. Following these guidelines will provide you with a reliable and productive dual monitor workspace. When your dual monitor setup isn't working properly, there are several key troubleshooting steps that can resolve most issues quickly and effectively. First, update your graphics drivers and docking station firmware. Outdated drivers are the most common cause of display problems. Next, verify your cable quality. Use certified Thunderbolt or DisplayPort cables for reliable connections and optimal performance. Ensure adequate power delivery. Your docking station must provide enough power for both your laptop and connected displays to function properly. For optimization, Thunderbolt 4 standardization has eliminated 80% of compatibility issues compared to older connection methods. Use DisplayPort for your primary monitor due to its higher bandwidth compared to HDMI. This ensures optimal performance for your main display. Ensure your setup supports the necessary resolutions. 4K at 60 Hz is becoming the baseline requirement for business environments. When properly configured, dual monitor setups can increase productivity by 25 to 30%, making the troubleshooting effort worthwhile.